first cold day of the fall season. Right now it is 57 degrees outside, which is cold for Florida, colder than usual. So the high today is only 68. So I think it is time to take down all of our Halloween decorations and transition into Christmas.
Dun, dun, dun!
So today we're gonna take down all our Halloween decorations, and then maybe tomorrow put up our Christmas ones.
Yay!
Yay! What else do we have to do today? Oh, I gotta clean the car today. Yeah.
It smells like car gas.
Yeah, we had a little accident. We needed to take the gasoline tank somewhere, and it spilled in our trunk, and now our trunk reeks of gas.
It smells.
So yeah, so I'm gonna scrub out the back of the car, and I figure while I'm back there, I might as well clean the whole car. So we're going to take out the decorations and clean out the car on top of, school. We have lots of school to do today. Yeah, so let's go. What did
I
you
did.
get me for early Christmas?
Okay, so let's just pull it out.
A monkey, thank you. Early Christmas, we have to take down Halloween still. Is it cold? Yes. Your feet are cold? We gotta take all the Halloween decorations down out here. We got the ones inside out down, now we gotta take the outside ones. It's a monkey! There's a monkey on the Halloween decoration.
That fella. Wait. The stinky log.
The stinky log. The viewers don't know about the stinky log.
Oh, yeah. So my mom... No, actually, I don't know the whole story. You tell on.
You tell a story.
No, I don't know the whole story.
Okay, so I found a nice
the
log.
stinky log while you're saying it.
Yeah, so I found this nice log that one of the neighbors was getting rid of, and so I thought it'd make a really nice outdoor decoration. But it stinks, apparently. Like, I think it's a palm tree. Apparently, like, the fibers inside palm trees stink. What does it smell like to you?
I don't know. I haven't smelt it.
Oh, you didn't smell it? That's right, only Haley smelled it. It pretty much smells like a toilet. A used toilet.
Even smells bad.
Yeah. So your Christmas dance?
I'm gonna start walking. I don't want you to take them down.
We have to take them down, Mutu. Christmas is coming. Okay, can we take them down, please? Thank you. doesn't want to go. He's attached. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I didn't get a chance to clean out the car. I'll do that tomorrow. Oh, I'm talking to myself, I guess. The viewers, I guess. Okay, so for dinner we're having Sally's chicken. It is my mom's neighbor's recipe. Her name's Sally. So we call it Sally's chicken. We have a cream cheese sauce, which is just 2 blocks of cream cheese, half a cup of milk, and some Italian seasoning. Broccoli to go with it, some noodles. And then I've got the chicken cooking in the air fryer. Oh, and I got some croissants in the oven. Yeah, so I did not get to finish cleaning out the car yesterday and getting all the gas smell out of it. So today, that is what we are doing. Okay, so I took everything out of the trunk, even like the spare tire and the jumper cables. And I had to remove the big cardboard square that covers the spare tire because that also had a little bit of gas smell on it. So very little gas spilled in the trunk, but gas is just, it's just so like has such a strong scent to it. There's still like a lingering smell in the trunk. So we're gonna go ahead and scrub this out. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is going to just take some laundry detergent, a little bit in a bucket, and a sponge, and I'm just going to scrub out all the fabric in here. The trunk is all cleaned out. Now I'm going to let this air dry for a few hours. Then I'm going to put, I think, a thick piece of cardboard so that it's all filled in. There's a hole there anymore. And then I have some extra carpet in the garage. So I'm going to make like a carpet cover for it. So that the back of the trunk is all carpeted once again. Now I'm going to clean the inside of the car, which isn't that bad. There's no food or anything, just a lot of toys and like papers. So yeah, now we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're done cleaning out the car. It's all nice and clean. Now we need to finish up the trunk. Okay, so since we're not going to be putting a spare tire back in here because that one had some gas on it, still smells like gas, and it has a hole in it anyway, so I don't need to keep a spare tire in the car that doesn't do anything. I'm going to put this piece of like cardboard on top, but to make sure it doesn't cave in, I'm just going to put this piece of foam that I have right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my cardboard right there. It's going to create a nice surface to put things on top of, like groceries and tables. Got my second piece. Okay, so that sort of like mimics the piece of cardboard I had in here, the one that came with the car, because that one smells. So I've got this piece of carpet that actually, we replaced the carpets in one of our bedrooms, probably last year. So I kept the carpet just to use it for whatever in the garage or whatnot. So I cut a piece, going to place it into the trunk upside down. And then we're going to cut it to fit the trunk. I'm going to put it into the trunk upside down so I can mark it and cut it exactly to fit. Okay, so that's the way the carpet's in the trunk. I'm just going to mark it with permanent marker and then cut it with a razor blade. guess now the carpet is all in the trunk. And it seems to work good. It's nice and solid. So I can put groceries back here, presents, and whatever. And it doesn't smell anymore. Yay! So while I was cleaning the car, I dumped a bunch of water on my phone. So I'm not really sure what the audio sounds like after that. I put it in some rice for a while. So if this audio is really scratchy or goes in and out, that's why. Anyway, that's all we have for you today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when we post. Bye, guys.